So let's open this now. The DDR4 GSKILLS is a TridentZ. Okay. Alright, so let's get it out, unbox this. So that's the two sticks of DDR4 RAM. Here the RGB light is here, and that's the DDR4 3000. It's a GTZR. Okay, it's 8 gig per stick. So we're gonna install this on the new motherboard. So in order for you to install, I suggest to look at the motherboard here, manual, and mine is a Pinnacle Ridge. So Pinnacle Ridge DDR4, mine is a double rack. So it's a dual rank. Sorry. So in order for you to install this on the motherboard, I suggest you read the manual for the motherboard. It's a Pinnacle Ridge, mine, the Ryzen 7 2700X, and it's a DDR4, and mine is, for you to find out, this is a dual rank, so it has chips on both sides. So you can see there's on this side and on the other side too. So this side and this side has chips, so it's a dual rank, sorry. 8 gig times 2. Okay, so for dual rank here, I'm gonna take a look at this table. It's so if you want to have two sticks dual rank, you're gonna put one on A2 and one on B2. Okay, so let's put that for 2400 megahertz. Okay, so after this, let's try to put on the A2 and B2 slots here. That's the GSKILLS TridentZ RGB here, and I have a sticker here. Might use that sticker and put it on here as well. Okay, GSKILLS, and then take the one. It's pretty good heatsink here. You can see both sides has chips on both sides. Yeah, I can see here. You can see there's memory on this side and this side. So it's a dual rank. So this is A1, A2, B1, B2. So this is just to do A2 and B2 if you have two sticks. Even for single rank, it's right on A2 and B2. So so there's one side that is shorter than the other side. As you can see here, this side is shorter than the other side. So you might want to put this on the bottom right here, facing, yeah. So short side with short side, long side with long side. And then we're gonna put on the A2 DIMM slot. This is A1, A2, and make sure it's okay, it fits. And then push a little bit in. Okay. When you push this, gonna close by itself the socket. Okay. I'll do that for the second stick, the RAM stick. So this is the short side. It's gonna go to the B2, so B1, B2, and so you just pull this side out. That's it. Some motherboard you have to pull both sides. So just press here and then make sure you're pushing this in. So this, you're gonna see this closing, right? You close and you hear a click. This side also is in. Okay. Okay, so we have right here the two RAM installed already, and next we're gonna put the graphic card, install the graphic card on here.